Will Oracle be upset if I move my support contract to third-party support provider? No, they don't really care. But Oracle has, for almost every company in the world, they have put in offshore countries. So there is someone in Romania or maybe India, and he or she might have $250 million in renewals target. If you say, hey, I'm going to take my $400,000 support contract and move it to third-party support, they don't care. Imagine, put yourself in their situation. If you have a $250 million target and someone is saying, I'm going to a third-party support provider here for $400,000, you would probably not care that much. And the same for your local teams that are meeting with you as an account rep. They are compensated on the license and the cloud sales. They are not compensated on renewals. It might sound a bit like they don't really care what's good for Oracle, but they only care what's good for them, which is selling new licenses and selling the cloud. So if you say I'm going to move to a third-party support provider, they're not going to be upset because, or in two years they can resell you new licenses and be compensated on that new sale.